to DJH Prestigious Sports, where we've just acquired this absolutely stunning price range Mercedes C-Class diesel sport estate. It really does not look or drive like the mileage. It's in fantastic condition. Got the upgraded AMG grille there, the big Merc insignia, unmarked alloy wheels, beautiful blue colour. Wheels are absolutely amazing. It's got park distance control on the back, huge boot, got the load cover there as well. And it's an electric tailgate. All works as it should. Stunning condition. It's a C220 diesel. Full leather interior. Look at that leather. No wear on that. You would not believe this has done the mileage. Absolutely stunning. Electric windows, electric mirrors, heated seats. Again, look at that driver's seat. No wear, no splits. These usually do burst and wear. Start the car up. All the warning lights go on and off. It's done 120,156 miles. Sounds absolutely just purring. It's got cruise control, multifunction steering wheel, paddle shift if you want to use it that way, satellite navigation. Bear with me, let's go back to the menu. It's all here, navigation, radio, DAB, Bluetooth for phone and for your music, climate control, iDrive system here, different ways of driving it, USB there, heated seats to the passenger. It really is in lovely condition. Honestly, I can't say enough about this. Automatic headlights. DJH with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. For any further information, please give us a call 07503 751 005. Thank you.